I'm Heidi Lee. I'm the CEO of Beyond Zero Emissions, and I'm here today in Kwinana, just south of Perth in Western Australia, visiting industries that are working together to solve shared challenges. Beyond Zero Emissions have been working on solving industrial challenges to decarbonisation for around 8 years now. And what we've found is that businesses who work together are the ones that are best placed to solve challenges around these central issues.
The Kwinana industrial area, as does any successful industrial area, has 4 key characteristics that make it work. The first one is the materials exchange, those products and byproducts and waste materials being exchanged, in essence, to reduce the production of waste in the long term. The second is that living nearby is a pool of skilled workers. The third element is support industries, the engineering workshops, fabricators, labour hire, plant hire. They exist to serve the interests of those big companies that I call the primaries. The fourth characteristic is how well the governance is working. Common user infrastructure, road, rail, port, pipeline corridors, the presence of a good buffer zone. When you bring those 4 characteristics together, you've got a very strong industrial area.
It's been fantastic to see the collaboration that's happening here in Kwinana to help make each individual business more competitive and give it the edge in a global race to decarbonise. The challenges and the opportunities that Kwinana has faced here, they're the same all over Australia for other industrial players. And that's why we're bringing together those stakeholders that we've worked so closely with over the last 8 years together to a round table to help bring a national plan for decarbonising Australia's industry to life.